Hello everyone, I am Puneet Kumar DG, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Baramasagara. As you all know, we are discussing the subject Financial Markets and Services. In that, the Module 4, the Non-Banking Financial Companies. The topic of present video is Finance Companies. We will discuss the meaning, features and also about the State Financial Corporation. In our previous video, we discussed about the basic concept of non-banking financial companies, the difference between the non-banking financial companies and as well as the banks, the various types of non-banking financial companies such as asset finance companies, investment companies, infrastructure finance companies, NBFC factoring, NBFC microfinance, etc. In the today's video, we will discuss about the meaning of finance companies. A finance company is also called as a loan company. It is a financial institution which is principally engaged in the business of providing financial aid to any business or economic activity. Such type of the companies we are going to call them as an finance companies or popularly as a loan company. A finance company is an organization that makes loans to individuals and as well as the businesses. Unlike banks, the financial companies does not provide any additional services to its clients other than providing the loan, such as accepting cash deposits, making online payments or make fund transfer. Such facilities are not provided by these financial companies. These financial companies are going to make profit by charging the interest rates on the loan which is provided by them, but usually these interest rates are little bit higher than the interest rates which are charged by the banks. Now let us understand the various features of these finance companies. The first one is the principal business of finance companies is to grant loans. They doesn't provide any other services. It is going to grant loans to anybody, but generally a commercial credit. These financial companies does not offer the personal loans and non business loans. They will majorly they will concentrate on the commercial credits. Then it obtains funds for lending through own borrowings or from parent corporations. The funds which are lent by the finance companies are majorly their own capital, or sometimes they are going to borrow from of the their parent corporations, and they grant both short term and as well as the long term loans. They do not accept any deposits from the public like banks. They do not provide any other services such as fund transfer, the accepting cash deposits, providing withdrawal facility, etc. These are the features of the finance companies. Now let us have a look on the State Financial Corporation, which is one of the example for the public sector finance company. At present in India, there are 18 state financial corporations, out of which 17 were set up under the State Financial Corporation Act of 1951 by the respective states as regional institutions. They play an effective role in the development of small and medium enterprises and bringing about regionally balanced economic growth. Now let us understand the various objectives of the state financial corporations. They aim at wide dispersion of MSME units within the each states, and they will try to reduce the accumulation of industries at one point. They meet term credit needs of small and medium units which will find it difficult to get the credit from the banks and other financial institutions. And also they will provide assistance to the MSMEs similar to the IFCI and as well as IDBI, such as the project counseling and as well as the marketing assistance, etc. Then let us understand the various functions which are performed by the state financial corporations. They are going to assist MSMEs for their modernization and as well as technology upgradation by providing the soft loans. They are going to provide the loans for the purpose of working capital and also for the acquisition of new technology, new machineries, and also the modernization of the units. The second one, they will help in restructuring of the sick MSMEs through rehabilitation schemes. So they are going to have the various sick industrial rehabilitation schemes, and through those schemes they are going to help the various MSMEs which are in the financial problem. The next one is they are going to provide the financial assistance to the all industrial units for the establishment and as well as for the modernization. And there are other functions which are done which are handled by the state financial corporations, such as they are going to underwrite the new stocks and shares and as well as debentures which are issued by the industrial units in order to raise the capital, and also they are going to grant guarantee for the loans which are raised by the and also the funds which are raised by the those MSMEs from the capital market. And these are the various functions which are performed by the state financial corporations. And now let us summarize the whole session. The finance companies engaged in the business of providing the loans and advances. The state financial corporation is one of the example of such public sector financial company. The SFCs are established to have regionally balanced economic growth, and these SFCs help small scale units by offering the soft loans and as well as providing the rehabilitation schemes. You can refer these books for your further readings. That is Khan M.Y., Indian Financial System, Theory and Practice, Tata McGraw-Hill Publications; E. Gordon and K. Natarajan, Financial Markets and Services, Himalaya Publications; Raman B.S., Financial Markets and Services, Chetana Bukkos Publications. Finally, I thank everyone for watching this video, and also I request you to comment with your suggestions and as well as your queries. Thank you everyone.